Okay, I'm going to show you how this Star Super Peeler works today. Stainless handle, high carbide blade. You take a cabbage, cut it in half, go around the outer edge. It'll do your coleslaw. You just lay it flat and pull it, okay? It'll peel potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, whatever you want to peel. Just lay it flat and pull it. This will get the eye out of the potatoes, just like so. And if you want to do shoestring fries, you just pull it down through there and it'll do your shoestring fries. Your cucumbers for pickles or salads, you lay them on the bar and just slide it across the blade real lightly and it'll slice them. On a carrot, you want to peel that. Any of your hard fruits, vegetables, you just pull it, lay it flat and pull it. If you want to slice them, again, turn it over, lay it on the bar and slide it across the blade. Peaches, tomatoes, and plums. It won't cut a soft surface. So on any of your soft fruits, you lay it on there like so and zigzag it back and forth. Just like so, and you can go all the way around your fruits, soft fruits. Peaches, tomatoes, plums, any of your soft fruits. Apples, any of your hard surfaces, again, all you have to do is pull and it'll peel them. Paper thin, you're not wasting any of the meat. Your squash, it'll peel that also. But if you want to slice it for making some squash with onions in it or whatever, just lay it on the bar and slide it across the blade and it'll slice your rounds. Your cream corn, you just top the kernels just like you're peeling a potato, only I'm going to turn it upside down where it don't spray all over you. Top the kernels just like so. Come back with the handle and get the cream out. And that's how easy that is. Now if you want to slice up some onions for hamburgers or hot dogs, just go cut it in half, go around the outer edge, and this is how fine it'll slice it up for your hamburgers and hot dogs or whatever you need your onions sliced for. The price is $6 each, 2 for $10. Handy little tool, Swiss made. When you wash it, just wash it off, rinse it off under the sink, under the faucet, dry the blade. The blade is high carbide, it will rust. Stainless handle, it won't rust. If it does rust, just take another potato and peel it, and it'll get the rust off. It's ergonomic, so if you've got carpal tunnel or arthritis, you can hang on to this handle. It doesn't have that little bitty handle like those China-made ones. It's got that wide handle where you can hang on to it. 2 fingers. Rutabagas, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, whatever you want to peel, it'll peel it, and it'll peel it just like that, paper thin. And if you want to do block cheese, I don't have any cheese out here, but if you want to do block cheese, just lay it on the block and just pull it like that, and it'll do it just like that. 6 each, 2 for $10.